Hey, what's up? So today I'm gonna show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam whenever you are using it for streaming, zooming, or video recording. So I'm gonna show you all of that in this video. Most of built-in cameras are not that good. That's why I'm using my iPhone as a webcam, as you can see. And I'm going to show you today how you can do it as well. Let's jump into it. So what's really interesting about this setup is that it's very easy and quick. It's 100% free and it can be used with Apple and Android phones. All you need to do is to grab your phone, get your charging cable, and also have something to hold up your phone with. So the first step is that you have to grab your phone. If you have an iPhone, you have to go to the App Store. If you have an Android phone, you have to go to the Google Play Store. And then you have to search for an app called iReum, I-R-U-M. Once you got the app, download it. Okay, so this way the first step is completed. We downloaded the app and now just go to the home screen, search for the app and open it. Step number 2. So you have to go to the website, and as you can see there is different options. You have Windows, Mac, also the App Store and Google Play. Download the Windows if you have a Windows, the Mac if you have a Mac. I'm gonna download the Windows because I have Windows. So once you install the app, keep it open and also open the Zoom app. Where's the camera? There is an arrow. You can select which output you can have for your webcam. So in this case, you have to choose the iReum as an output for your camera. Also, don't forget to go to settings and choose to have a high definition quality video. I actually think that this is awesome because most of the time computer companies, they implement their camera in a very bad position, and it's also having a very bad quality. So when it comes to lighting, it doesn't show what this camera from the iPhone is showing. So I'm really happy with the solution. Hope you can use it as well.